Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to send disappearing messages on the Signal application in 2021 on your iPhones. It's actually really easy to do. So if you just head over to the Signal application and open that up, you will then be on your home screen right here. All you have to do is find the chat that you want to have the disappearing messages in. So let's just say if I wanted this top one right here, I can go ahead and start with that. Now what you want to do is you want to click on the chat at the very top. So this is the name of the chat. And then it will open up this here showing you a bunch of stuff. You will see an option for disappearing messages right under search chat. And it just says when enabled, messages sent and received in this chat will disappear after they've been seen. So if you just enable that, you will then see a little toggle here to change the amount of time you want your messages to disappear in. So right now it's set automatically to 1 day. You can click and drag here for as long as you would like. So let's just say 10 seconds. I can go ahead and put that there. And then if I back out of here and send a message just like this and do test again, you will see you set disappearing message time to 10 seconds. So you see the little countdown as well right beside the message counting down. And once we hit 10 seconds there, it will then disappear the message and nobody will be able to see it anymore, just like that, and it'll be gone. So very, very easy to set up. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.